Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, I've got a great review, and I've got a great challenge for you. And see what you come up with. You can use something in your classroom, in your bedroom, in your office area, in your living room. You could use food. Make it your own is my challenge for you. Make it your own. So be thinking about what I'm going to ask you to do. Now, remember, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe button so you can share Cindy's Corner with your family and friends. Now then, if you've got the book ABCDrive, go get it so you can follow along. They're going on a drive, aren't they? All right, and it says ABC, so you think you're going to do the ABCs on a drive? Maybe. Let's look here. ABCDrive is our title page, and it says, Play with Me, Toys and Buttons. Maybe you're going to do toys. Here's our title page. ABCDrive, a car trip alphabet. You don't have to do a car trip. You can do something else. Make it your own. This is going to be your challenge. Our author here is Naomi, Howland. You can make your own alphabet book, and you're going to be the author. Here they go in the car. It's for John. A is for ambulance. B is for bus. They're using automobiles, aren't they? C is cement mixer. D is dump truck. E is engine. F is fire truck. G is garbage truck. H is headlights. I is ice cream truck. J is Jeep. K is keys. L is limousine. M is motorcycles. N is no parking sign. No parking there. Had to be creative on that one, didn't they? O is for an overpass. P is police car. Q is put a quarter in so you won't get a parking or get towed away. Quarter. R is for red light. S is for stop sign. T is for traffic. U is for underpass. V is for van. W is for wheels. X is zing crossing. And so you walk across. Y is for yield. Z is for zoom. And then they're home. Now, you get to start, and you can just do A through Z, and then come up with your own items. But make them all kind of be uniform together. Like if you're doing food, they are all some kind of food or some kind of utensil that you're going to use in the kitchen. Or maybe it's pets. Be creative on your alphabet. And I hope I get some of these sent to me. Cindy's Corner 21 at gmail.com. And don't forget, give it a thumbs up. Most important, give somebody a hug and tell them you love them. Have a great day, Alphabet Way.